Welcome to this meditation for deep relaxation. This session is designed to help you release tension, calm your mind, and bring your body into a state of deep, peaceful relaxation. Whether you're winding down after a long day or simply need a break to restore your inner calm, this meditation will guide you to a place of tranquility. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly, letting go of any tension or stress. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your body to soften and relax, sinking into the support beneath you. Let's begin by bringing your awareness to your body. Start at the top of your head and gently scan down through your entire body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. As you move your awareness down through your forehead, eyes, and jaw, allow these areas to relax and soften. Continue scanning down through your neck and shoulders, releasing any tightness or stiffness. Let your shoulders drop and feel the tension melting away. As you move down through your chest and abdomen, notice the rise and fall of your breath. With each exhale, let go of any stress or worry that you're holding in these areas. Move your awareness down through your arms, hands, and fingers, allowing them to become heavy and relaxed. Then, bring your focus to your back, feeling the muscles loosen and soften. As you continue to scan down through your hips, legs, and feet, release any remaining tension. Let your entire body become completely relaxed, heavy, and at ease. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, without trying to change or control it. Simply observe the flow of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. As you focus on your breath, imagine that with each inhale, you're drawing in calm, peaceful energy. Feel this energy filling your body, bringing a sense of calm and relaxation to every cell. With each exhale, imagine that you're releasing any remaining tension, stress, or negative energy. Let it all go, allowing your body and mind to become more and more relaxed with each breath. Continue to breathe in this way, drawing in peace and relaxation with each inhale, and releasing tension with each exhale. Allow your breath to become a soothing rhythm that guides you deeper into relaxation. Now imagine yourself in a peaceful, serene place. This could be a tranquil beach, a quiet forest, a peaceful garden, or any place that brings you a sense of calm and happiness. Visualize this place in as much detail as possible. Notice the colors, the sounds, the smells, and the sensations. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze, or the soft earth beneath your feet. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this peaceful environment. As you relax in this serene place, feel all the tension and stress melting away. Imagine that the peaceful energy of this place is filling your entire being, bringing you a deep sense of calm and relaxation. Stay in this peaceful place for a few minutes, enjoying the tranquility and serenity. Allow yourself to completely let go, knowing that you are safe, relaxed, and at peace. As we begin to close this meditation, take a few deep breaths, savoring the feeling of deep relaxation. Know that you can return to this peaceful place in your mind whenever you need to find calm and relaxation. Slowly bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch your body and take one final deep breath in, exhaling fully. When you are ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed, relaxed, and at peace. Carry this sense of calm and relaxation with you throughout your day or into your restful night. With love and gratitude, Chenzo Holistic Coaching.